In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Asana add-in to Outlook and turn emails into tasks. By the end, you'll be able to install the integration, sign in securely, create tasks right from your inbox, and link emails to existing Asana work so everything stays organized in one place. Start by opening Outlook. From your inbox, access the Microsoft App Source. In the desktop app, look for Get Add-ins or the apps icon on the ribbon. In Outlook on the web, you'll find a similar apps or get add-ins option near the top. This is where you can discover and manage add-ins that extend Outlook's features. In App Source, use the search bar to look up the Asana add-in. When you find it, open its page to review what it does and the permissions it needs. Click Add or Get it now to install. If Outlook asks for confirmation or admin approval, follow the prompts. Once it's added, the Asana icon should appear in your message toolbar or in the More Actions menu when you open an email. Next, sign in to your Asana account through the add-in. Open any email, click the Asana icon, and the side panel will prompt you to log in. Complete the sign-in with your usual Asana credentials, then choose the appropriate workspace or organization if you have more than one. Grant the requested permissions so Outlook can send information to Asana on your behalf. Now you're ready to create Asana tasks directly from emails. With an email open, click the Asana add-in. The panel will pre-fill the task name with the email subject and include the body as the description. Edit the title for clarity, choose the right project, pick an assignee, set a due date, and add any relevant tags or priority notes. If the email includes attachments, check that they're included or reference them in the description. Saving the task will instantly add it to Asana, preserving the essential context from the email. You can also link emails to existing tasks or projects for a seamless workflow. In the Add-in panel, switch from creating a new task to searching for an existing one. Type a few keywords, select the correct task or project, and attach the email's content. This keeps updates, approvals, or customer messages tied to the work already in motion, so your team can see the full history without digging through inboxes. That's it. With the Asana add-in installed, signed in, and put to work, your inbox becomes a powerful hub for capturing and connecting work in Asana.